จะไหวไปคุยสวัสดีตบทุกคนไปคุยเชื่อbad day and every ill conclusion, like a tide rolls away, darkness intrusion. And I thought maybe this is life, maybe I just up the line, and maybe it was all in my head, like all those people came and said, but there's no logical reason, no, for how life makes me feel. Bombarded from every angle, trapped by evil. It didn't make sense to me. Oh, no. How God could abandon me in a world so cold and lonely. Well, he took me to my lowest, not to hurt me further. He took me to the valley so he can make me stronger. In my despair, he showed his strength, and in my worry, he showed his mercy, and then he gave me peace. Oh, he gave me peace. Passes understanding. Oh, in a blink of an eye. He takes the broken pieces and tosses to the sky. I've been restored by the great I am. Refined and adored because I am chosen. And no man, no demon can stand against God. No darkness can penetrate the shield of a king. No gloom can prevent the light of love. Because our God is big enough.